Hi there. In this video, restaurant owners will discover how they can accept online orders using this online ordering system. Let's take a look at the various stages in the order-taking process. First, food customers begin by accessing the menu through the restaurant website, via desktop or mobile devices, or even via a mobile app. But for a better understanding of the order-taking process, we will continue to show how food customers interact with the restaurant website on desktop. Once they add the desired food items to cart, they'll be sent to checkout. They will now be required to insert some personal information, like their name, email address, and telephone number. The restaurant needs the customer's email address to send them an email confirming that their order has been placed. Their phone numbers are used if the restaurant needs to contact them about their order. Food clients must now select their desired service type. They can choose between the following options: pickup, delivery, or table reservation, depending on what services the restaurant decides to enable. The video that just popped up on the screen contains step-by-step information on how restaurant owners can enable any of these options. Food clients must now select a fulfillment time, which is simply the time that they want their food to be ready. They then need to choose a preferred payment type and fulfillment option. Fulfillment options add an extra layer of protection between food clients and restaurant employees by minimizing the amount of physical interaction they have. Food clients must then click the Place Order Now button to submit their order. The order is then pushed to the restaurant order taking app, and restaurant owners will be notified by the app of the incoming order. They'll have a maximum of 4 minutes to accept the order. Once the restaurant accepts the online food order, they must then insert the number of minutes they need to fulfill the order. Then an email is also sent to the food client about the order details. When rejecting an online food order, restaurant owners can either call the customer back to explain why their order is being rejected, or they can press the Reject Order button. The food clients will see a pop-up message containing the possible reasons why the order was rejected. They will have an option to edit and retry placing their order again. They will also receive a similar email. When customers place an order, restaurant owners have a maximum of 4 minutes to accept it before missing the order. The customers can retry placing it by clicking the Try Again button, and this will generate a new order for the restaurant. Just as in the previous examples, an email is sent to the customer with the order details and the possible reason why the order was missed. With this online ordering system, restaurants can allow their customers to place orders even when their restaurant is closed. In order to enable this feature, they must first log into their restaurant dashboard, then navigate to the Services and Opening Hours section. Next, they need to click on Scheduled Orders, followed by Yes. They will now be required to enter the earliest time in advance that they would like their food customers to place orders for pickup and delivery. The other setting allows them to hide the as soon as possible option from their food clients, only allowing them to place orders for a later day or time slot. Let's see how this looks to food customers. When a restaurant owner enables the scheduled orders feature, and customers try to order outside the restaurant's opening hours, a banner is placed at the top of the menu telling customers that the restaurant is closed and they can place an order for later. The restaurant's customers will go to the checkout cart as normal, but this time they'll select a day and time in the future when they want their orders to be fulfilled. After food clients are done ordering, they'll receive 2 emails, one notifying them that the order has been placed but has not yet been accepted, and the other email will be sent once the restaurant accepts the order. Within the Order Taking app, restaurants can receive orders 24/7. Orders will be queued and appear as pending with no audio notification until the start of the restaurant's opening hours. Restaurant owners or their employees can log in at any time and accept those orders, even if the restaurant is closed. Let's take a look at some of the other features of the Order Taking app. The orders in the app are grouped into 3 categories: All, In Progress, and Ready. If an order is ready before the stipulated fulfillment time, the restaurant can move it to the Ready category by swiping right on the order and pressing the Ready for Delivery button. Pressing on the 3 dots in the top right of the app will bring up 3 additional options. The Create Test Order option will simulate an order being pushed to the app. The Clear Orders option will remove all orders from the Order Taking app. The Pause Services option will temporarily disable the ordering function for food clients. Restaurant owners can choose to pause ordering for each or all of their enabled services by clicking on the little box next to the service which they wish to pause. Services can be paused for the rest of the day or for a specific time window, like 1 hour. Restaurant owners can also add a custom notification message that will be displayed to their customers when their services are paused. In addition, restaurant owners can keep track of all the orders that have been placed in the system by checking the Reports section in the Admin dashboard. Then, all they need to do is click on List View and then on Orders. Clicking on any of the orders to the right of the screen will open up the order details.